That's all. I just shuffle them bitches, coach. You say you need me to shuffle them bitches? I got you. I got you, coach. You say you need me to shuffle them bitches? I got you, coach. You say you need me to shuffle them bitches? Coach. You say you need me to shuffle them bitches? I got you, coach. I got you, coach.
Shout out Jay, bruh. Yo, Jay, you gotta chill, bruh. I told you, bro, y'all gotta chill, bruh. Just vibe, twin. Bro, I appreciate y'all boys, bro. Facts. Y'all some goats, bro.
Damn, they spin the block. Fuck. Here we go.
W Ice Cream. What up, Ryder? Yo, Jay, bro.
Them boys spin the hell out.
You feeling good? You feeling good today, Jay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nigga, they must have forgot what the fuck type timing we was on.
Fuck, this could have me jumping.
Come on. Bro, what? That's straight ball, though.
Nigga sorry as fuck, bro. I'm telling you. Hey. I just want
straight business, though, chat.
Whatever it takes to win, that's all. That's all. I just shuffle them bitches, coach. You say you need me to shuffle them bitches? I got you. I got you, coach. You say you need me to shuffle them bitches? I got you, coach. You say you need me to shuffle them bitches? Coach. You say you need me to shuffle them bitches? I got you, coach. I got you, coach.
Yo, this nigga. Yo. This nigga's finding me.
Oh my god.
Yo, this nigga just found me, bro. He said you need me to shuffle them bitches, coach. Yo. He really sitting, though. Yo, it's finding me because he's really sitting, though. Like, bro, oh my goodness. Oh.
I was playing the lane, then he could have stayed up. You good?
I just want them thighs running in that bill. I'm rage baiting the fuck out this lock, chat. Excuse my language, but I'm rage baiting to mess out this lock, bro. He think I'm finna do all that dribble?
We good? Play me? Yep, I'm here.
PWEEZY was better, Hall of Fame. I mean, if you could get the if you could get the one where you could get VC, bro, take that one. You know what I'm saying? You can never go wrong with 15K. But if you just want the regular pass, get the regular pass. I low-key would rather go Hall of Fame. Ooh, good move. You know what I mean? If you could get that pro, I'm in that Hall of Fame. Why wouldn't you snag it? You know what I mean? W corner sitter. Hey, Chad. W good boy in the corner. Oh, shoot. What's Dunk Fest? It's like, it's an event where you just gotta keep getting dunks. You just keep dunking. You get like points and shit. Second event.
Go to talk. Go to talk. 3 for 8.
You gotta reach a goal. You gotta reach a community goal of dunks.
So like, if I do something right, niggas is 3 for 8, 4 for 10.
I just missed a wide open dunk.
No.
And I'm selling my teammates. I had to leave. Now you green, bro. I don't know what I use on this player, bro. Not gonna lie. Keeping it a whole buckaroonie. No Bappersons. 5 game. Oh, these some different folks. Look at this nigga. Not a lick of defense though. Not 92 perimeter. 2K, can you show me how you got that court? Bro, it's a new update. The season just dropped. Okay, buddy. You gotta jump over with me, buddy.
Bro, what? I need that. What?
You playing some old niggas, bro. You cannot guard this shit, bro.
That's crazy.
What the fuck was his thoughts? I don't know why he stepped out here. He finna pass. Drop down. Good jump. Wow. I got you. Fuck no, Jet. That bitch slow as dirt. Oh my goodness. What?
Put a bite in the put a bite in the lap of the game, yeah.
How's it feel closing $1 million deals? What's up, Control?
I'm down for 1 second.
Hey. This shit too, like, chat, this shit, like, bro, we can't, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Like, chat, what can you do? Like, nigga, this shit boxed. This shit boxed. Nigga. like,
MVP, I ain't gonna lie.
this shit is bogs. Yo, this nigga toying with this nigga.
I'm lame.
Playing with him? What? Nobody ain't steal that shit? He jumped at me? Like, you're so weird. Like, yo, you're the only nigga I know that's jumping at me from there, bro. Like, what the fuck? Oh. Green. Good shot.
Yo, what the hell?
Yo. Chat, this nigga jumped at me. I'm behind half. Like, you're not serious. Like, you're so corny. Yo, these old niggas so dirt. Fetty Wap got out of jail, word.
Oh shit.
He deadass got out of jail yesterday. That's fire though. Hey chat, I ain't gonna lie. I could listen to a little Fetty Wap. I don't mind listening to a little Fetty Wap. You know what I'm saying? But is he gonna come out the same though? You know what I mean? Like, is he gonna come out?
He knew that shit was supposed to be a steal. That's why he did that shit. He stopped.
GG's. How you been? I've been good, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been shmoney, bro. Like, life been good. Stream been good.
First day back. This how we coming?
God been good. Family good. Shit, life good, bro. Like, I don't know, man. How about you, bro? Like, how life going for you? You know what I'm saying? Cause yeah, my life's great. Child, we on the what? 6th game? My life's great.